Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, mirror memory, remote trunk release, security system, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.